Hello everyone, this is venma. Today we will explore about configuring a Linux EC2 instance as an Apache web server. So here we go. Today we are going to do something different. We will turn a Linux server in the cloud into a working website. We will use Amazon EC2, that's the Amazon virtual server. Install something called Apache, it is what helps shows website, and pull a website from GitHub, kind of like copying a project your friend made online. So let's go step by step. Before going to topic, let's see about Windows versus Linux. So Windows is like smartphone, easy to click, mostly automatic, but Linux, think of Linux like a bike you can customize. You can change almost everything, but you need to know how the parts work. It's super powerful, especially for servers and developers. So the key concepts are: a web server is just a computer, just shows website. Apache is a waiter that brings your website to whoever asks. GitHub is like a public notebook for code project. We will copy one from that. And EC2, that is a virtual computer we will set up on AWS. Here is step 1, launching EC2 instance. So we go into the AWS console, click EC2 and click launch instance. It is just like we did in Windows instance. So you name it Linux web server and select Amazon Linux image and select E2 micro and select your keypad, availability zone, security group, and then hit launch. If you see running, that's good. It means your instance is alive and clicking. So step 2 is configuring security group. So by default nothing can reach your EC2, so we need to allow two things in Linux server: SSH and HTTP. In Windows we chose RDP to connect your virtual machine to your local system. Just like that, here we use SSH for Linux server. So you have to enable the SSH and HTTP. SSH for how we log in and talk to it, and HTTP, that's how the world will see your website. Both are just clicking add rule and select the right type. That's easy. Step 3 is connect via SSH. Now let's talk to our Linux server using something called SSH. SSH is a communicator, and think of SSH like secret tunnel into your server. You will copy a command from AWS and paste it into a PowerShell on your computer. So don't forget to be in the same folder as your key file. It is like your house key to access the server. So if it say welcome to Amazon Linux, you made it correct. Step 4 is install Apache. Now we are inside our Linux server. Time to get Apache. So for install Apache, we use these commands. In Linux, we mostly use commands. This is not like Windows. So meaning of these commands, these commands are: hey Linux, get me Apache and don't ask me again. I think so. And then we start and enable Apache. So step 5, deploy the website. For deploy the website, we will use this command. So basically we are copying a public website project and placing it right where Apache serves from /var/www/html. This is a location, destination of your file. After this, your server becomes a web host. So step 6, test the website. Just go to your EC2 public DNS in a browser, and your website should show up in your local browser. So let's recap what we did. Create a Linux server and connect it via SSH, installed Apache and Git, pulled in your GitHub website and tested it in online. Officially deploying a website using cloud tools. That's it. So after you host a web and you need to clean up, terminate your instance. The last thing, if you are done with the server, terminate it. And AWS can charge for running instances, so always clean up. Go to EC2 dashboard, select instance and click terminate. So that's it for today. Thank you.